This is Vuwani, in the Vemba district of northern Limpopo. Only 25% of residents here are employed, meaning hunger is a daily battle. Naledzani, a single mother of two, is one of the 14 million South Africans going to bed hungry every night. Sick with TB and unable to find employment, she feeds 3 mouths with 700 rands worth of social grant money each month. Often, Naledzani will wait for her daughters to return from school before she eats anything at all.
That's one of make a show or the from of dinner and then church much finger she was going to and the Lord is too.
Taking TB medication on an empty stomach leaves Naledzani feeling nauseous and weak. For her daughters, it impacts their ability to concentrate at school. Already ranked as one of the most unequal societies in the world, South Africa's food crisis is entrenching future physical and social divides between the haves and the have-nots of our society. Activists are calling this the food apartheid.
In a country that is so rich, how do we explain 14 million people going to bed hungry? 1 in 3 people being jobless, 1 in 3 living or surviving on a social grant. Those aspects of apartheid have still not been dealt with.
We are publicly humiliating the poorest and most vulnerable people in our society because they've ended up in a situation which is really no fault of their own. I think it's very, very difficult if you are a parent to have children that you cannot feed. And as I said, most of this burden falls on women. And in many communities, it's become so common for women to trade sex for food or for money to buy food for their children that it's considered normal.
The cost of food impacts their children's future health and employment. Despite this, they are fighting for change. But true gender equality cannot take place without food equality too.
How can we talk about gender equality in that kind of situation? How can we talk about, women participating fully in social life when hundreds and thousands of women are subjected to that and to the stress every single day of trying to work out how to feed their children?